my channel. So today we'll be doing the previous year question of aldehyde and ketone from JEE Main 2024 April session. So April session, the number of questions have increased from January to April. That is 1, 2, 3, 13 to 12 to 13 questions are there in the shift. If I am not wrong, 1 second. Yes. 12 questions, 11 questions are there. 12 questions are there in the shift. So without much ado, we'll be moving on with answering the questions. So question number 1, April 4, shift 1. Statement 1, acidity of alpha hydrogen of aldehyde and ketone is responsible for aldol reaction. Yes, that is correct, because we will take the example of, one second, sorry. We will take example of ethanol, aldol condensation of ethanol. Okay, so we get like this: due to the removal of one alpha hydrogen and formation of a bond, like this, we'll get what? Aldol. So due to acidity, that is, acidity means tendency to remove or tendency to go away. So of this alpha hydrogen, as this as this alpha hydrogen go away, what happens? The aldol condensation reaction happens. So statement 1 is correct. Now statement 2. What is statement 2? Reaction between benzaldehyde and ethanol will not give cross aldol product. Let us draw and find it out. Benzaldehyde and CH3CHO. Okay. Look, if one of the reactant have a alpha hydrogen, cross aldol product or cross aldol condensation reaction will happen, right? So here benzaldehyde don't have an alpha hydrogen, but ethanol has alpha hydrogen is there. Therefore it is possible, reaction is possible. How the reaction happens? Let us draw. It's very simple. What happens? We'll draw the aldol product. Aldol product means this is the aldol product, CH2CHO. Yes. Now if condensation happens, what happens? We get aldol condensation product. What is aldol condensation product here? Here it is C double bond O CH. This is the aldol condensate. So this is the reaction, but they only ask if it's possible. So in the statement they are telling it is not possible. So the statement is wrong. So statement 1 is correct and 2 is false. Statement 1 is correct and 2 is incorrect. This is the correct answer. 1 is the correct answer. 1. Now question number 2. A very big compound is being given. Z and Hg and HCl is the reagents. If we see this to be the reagent, then what is the reaction? Yes, it is Clemenson's reduction. Clemenson's reduction means what happened? Both the aldehyde and the ketone reduces to. So Clemenson's reduction happened. So both the aldehyde group and ketone group will reduce to hydrocarbon, right? So the answer will be, here there is an aldehyde group. This aldehyde group will be reducing to hydrocarbon. So we'll get like this, and here this ketone group also will be reducing to hydrocarbon. So that will be good. So our answer is this compound. That is option 1. Now, number of correct reactions among following. Oh, it's a numerical question. Okay, we look. Yeah, this reaction is called a Getterman-Koch reaction. So this reaction is possible. Now this reaction, yes, this is also what? B. Reaction B, they have given the reagents for what reduction? Rosenmund reduction, but here the product is not aldehyde, it is acid. So this is wrong. Okay, yes. Now, okay, benzene plus anhydrous AlCl3. Okay. I think we'll get. Oh, this. I think that is also having some problem. Question 1, we are having C double bond or Cl, right? The Cl. We should really get what? This is acetylation reaction. Acetylation. It is not. It's acetylation reaction, right? Acetylation reaction means the product should have been this thing. Something like this, right? But some problem is here. But some problem is there. So this is also wrong. So wrong. So now last one. Hydrolyzing of amide. Yeah, you know that hydrolyzing amide will give us what? Will give us amine. That's correct. That's there in amines chapter. This is also correct. So number of reactions which are correct among the following are 2. Yes. Sorry. Look, the reaction D is really wrong, because if we hydrolyze amide, we get carboxylic acid, not amine. It's carboxylic acid. So this is also wrong. So only one reaction is correct among the following. Only one is correct. Now identify A in the following reaction. Okay. Yeah. N2H4 and ethylene glycol and KOH. This reaction seems to be that of Wolff-Kishner's reduction. Right? Reduction. So this reaction is of Wolff-Kishner's reduction. So what happens in Wolff-Kishner's reduction? Yeah, very simple. The ketone group will be changed to hydrocarbon. So our product will be like this. So let us find which among the following is the same. Yes, option D is the correct answer. So now let us look the other question. In Claisen-Smith reaction, to prepare 351 gram of dibenzyl acetone using 87 gram of acetone, the amount of benzaldehyde required is. So the reaction is Claisen-Smith reaction. So you know that Claisen-Smith reaction is a type of aldol reaction, cross aldol reaction. That reaction is acetone CH3 C double bond O CH3 plus benzaldehyde. This is the reaction. What we get? What answer we get when we undergo aldol condensation? 1 second. Yes, this is a product we get during aldol condensation. Okay, now they are telling to prepare what product we get. Name the product. 1 second. Yeah. So here they are telling we get dibenzyl acetone as the product. So here it's only a benzyl acetone. So now what should we add? Once again, if we add a benzaldehyde to the same, we get dibenzyl acetone. That is C double bond of CH, C double bond of CH double bond of phenyl group. We get like this. 1 second. No space to draw. I will draw it properly, otherwise it's difficult to calculate. Okay, we get this is the product. Right? Yes. To prepare, how much should we prepare? 351. So this thing 351 grams should be prepared using 87 gram of acetone. the amount of benzaldehyde required is. Now I will be taking the other page and writing. Need a lot of space to do, so we'll do it 1 second. Yes, so we have another page here. They are telling that 351 gram of this compound I'll just write the name. Drawing the compound is very hectic. Dibenzyl acetone. Acetone is formed using 87 gram of acetone. You know that the formula for the same is acetone plus 2 benzaldehyde gives one dibenzyl acetone. Okay, so you can calculate according. Mass of acetone we should calculate first. Acetone means CH3 C double. No, I will just take the mass. If you are doing in the exam hall, you should calculate it using the same. So what is mass of acetone? Acetone you can calculate. It will be CH3 C double bond or CH3. That is 12 plus 12 plus 12 36 plus 1 2 3 4 5 6 plus 16. So 36 plus 6 42 plus 60 6 7 8 58 gram. Okay, 1 mole is 58 gram acetone. Okay, we understood. Now what is the molar mass of dibenzyl acetone? Oh no, first benzaldehyde. What's the molar mass of benzaldehyde? Find it. It will be 16 plus 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 into 12 means how much? 84 plus 1 2 3 4 5 6. You can calculate 84 16 6 8 9 10 106. Now dibenzyl chloride. What's the mass? Sorry, this is benzene. It seems like some other thing. It's a problem. Okay, benzene. Calculate. How many C's are there? 2, 3, 4, 5. So 12 into 5, 60 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 11. 1 second. Sorry. I'm going wrong. It will take time. 1 second, I will just take the value. 1 second, you can calculate and look. If I'm doing this calculation and all, it's gonna take a long time. It will be 234 gram. Okay, yes, so we got the grams for the same. Okay, you know that 1 acetone plus 2 benzaldehyde will give this. So I'll be just writing 2 ace plus 1 benzal give 1 dibenzyl. So you know that 2 moles, I went wrong here. 1 mole of acetone and 2 mole of benzaldehyde will give 1 mole of dibenzyl acetone. So you know that how much acetone we are using. How much acetone we are using here? 87 gram of acetone. And how much this thing we are getting here? Dibenzyl chloride 234 gram, right? Okay, yes, sorry, someone came here. Okay, so it's told that 1 acetone plus 2 benzyl gives the 1 dibenzyl. Okay, that's perfect. So here 87 gram of acetone is used. You know that if 1 mole acetone is used, that is 58 gram acetone is used. 58 gram acetone is used. We get 1 mole, 58 gram acetol means 1 mole. Then what happens? We get 1 mole of that is 234 gram of dibenzyl chloride. So here we are using how much gram? 87 gram. So 87 gram acetone is equal to how many moles? 87 by 58 moles. Here also 2, how much we are getting? Not 234 gram. We are getting 351 gram of dibenzyl chloride, right? So 1 mole means 234. So 351 gram means how many moles? 351 by 234 moles. So it will be 1.5 moles, both the places, both here. So here no limiting reagent is there. It's not 1.5 moles. No limiting reagent is there. So it's very simple. Here 1.5 moles of acetone and dibenzyl we are getting. If we get 1:2:1 is the ratio of the reaction, that is 1 mole to 1. Here now what it became? It became 1.5. So it is really 2. So 1.5 into 2, 3:1. This is the new ratio, right? New ratio. Hence what happens? 3 into mass of benzyl, molar mass of 3 into molar mass into benzaldehyde. Molar mass of benzaldehyde, how much it is? Is it 106, right? 106. So 106 into 3, 18,013. So 318 gram. This is the answer. 318 gram. So I hope it's clear to you. Next question. There's some disturbance is happening here. That's the thing. What's happening? Sorry. Yes. Now the next question. I'll just erase the same. Here the space is being lost. Yes. Which among the following aldehyde is most reactive towards nucleophilic addition reaction? Let us check. Nucleophilic addition. Less steric hindrance, nucleophilic addition is preferred. Less steric hindrance, more nucleophilic reaction. Here there are 3 carbon, here there are 2 carbon, here there is 1 carbon, here there is no carbon. So as number of carbon increases, steric hindrance also increases. So look where the steric hindrance is the least. Here only no carbon is there, only hydrogen is there. So 4 will undergo, methanol will undergo nucleophilic additions faster. Yes. Now we have here some tests given and we have to match it. First one, Bayer's test. You know that Bayer's test. What is Bayer's test? Yes, it is a test with bromine, if I am not wrong. Test with bromine. You remember from hydrocarbon chapter, Bayer's test. This test for unsaturation. A brown precipitate will be precipitated in the following test. You remember that? You remember the same? Yes. So that is the Bayer's test. It is used for the test of unsaturation. So A4. So we'll check which all have A4. So 2 is wrong and 4 is also wrong. Now Ceric ammonium nitrate is used for the test of alcoholic OH group. You remember alcoholic OH group, ceric ammonium nitrate. It is there in the alcohol chapter, or this question is also from practical chemistry. So ceric ammonium nitrate is used for alcoholic OH group. So B3. So A will be the correct answer. Now shift test is used for aldehyde. And toluene dye test is used for phenol. Okay. So the answer is option A. Option A. This question is not really from aldehyde or ketone, it's from practical chemistry. It's from practical chemistry. Most of the questions from these chapters are matching with practical chemistry. 2 mole of benzaldehyde and 1 mole of acetone under alkyl condition using aqueous NaOH after heating gives X as a major product. The number of pi bonds in the product. What is the same? Yes, we did the same here. You remember? Yes, it is dibenzyl acetone. Dibenzyl acetone. So I will draw the structure of dibenzyl acetone. 1 second. This is the structure of dibenzyl acetone. How many pi bonds are there? Pi bonds. I will draw benzene also as the real structure, so we can count the pi bonds. Okay, 1. How many pi bonds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also double bond is there, right? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 pi bonds. 9 pi bonds. Yes. The question was okay. Simple. Yes. Now identify the major product X formed. What reaction is this? This is Getterman-Koch reaction. Koch reaction. So what we get in Getterman-Koch reaction? Very simple. What? Benzaldehyde. So which is benzaldehyde here? Yes, option 3 is the correct answer. Now question number 10. Bromine water, silica ammonia. Okay, this is also a test from which chapter? Practical chemistry, but it is somewhat related with identification of organic compounds from practical chemistry. Okay, so this is very important question. Now, bromine water test. What happens? Reddish orange color disappears. Bromine water decolorizes. You remember? Bromine water decolorizes. So A2. Only in one option A is going to 2. So all the 3 are wrong. Now we'll check the other also. Now ferric ammonium nitrate. What happens in ferric ammonium nitrate test? Yeah, this test is given in your practical chemistry module. Ferric ammonium nitrate test. We'll get a red color in presence of alcoholic OH group. That is the thing. A red PPT. It went in presence of alcoholic OH group. So we'll take ferric ammonium nitrate, where is red color appears. B3. Now ferric chloride test. What happens? Blue, green, violet or red color appears. Why there are many colors given here? Because different isomers gives different color, because catechol give one color, resorcinol give another color, etc. It's giving. Now I will be giving the colors given by each of them. 1 second, I'll take the color from the book. I have to find the book and I'll give the colors now itself. Yes, dears, I'll give you the same colors in the next class. This will be the part 1. In part 2 I'll give the colors. Okay, so thank you for watching the part 1. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.